Have you ever wondered how a simple 100 ringgit banknote is actually made? Not just printed paper, but a highly secure, scientific, and tightly controlled industrial process where every single note carries identity, precision, and protection layers beyond imagination. Today, we take you inside Malaysia's ultra-secure currency printing facility, where every second doesn't just produce money, it produces trust. This is the world of Bank Negara Malaysia, a place the public will never see, but today, we reveal its hidden industrial reality. The journey begins with raw, specialized paper, engineered with unique fibers and security-ready composition. This is not ordinary paper, it is the foundation of an entire national currency system. As the sheets enter the facility, the entire factory comes alive. Massive conveyor systems activate, precision rollers start spinning, and automated control systems synchronize every movement with extreme accuracy. Every step is calculated. Every motion is controlled. Nothing is left to chance. Now comes the most critical stage, printing. Each 100 ringgit note receives its signature design, the blue and green security color scheme, the portrait of Tuanku Abdul Rahman, and advanced security threads that react under light and scanning systems. Even the smallest printing error can lead to rejection of an entire batch. That's why every process is managed by high-precision machines and advanced inspection systems working in perfect synchronization. This is not just printing, this is controlled engineering at national scale. After printing, every single note passes through multiple layers of inspection. UV scanners, laser verification systems, and high-resolution machine vision cameras examine every detail with microscopic precision. Any defect, no matter how small, is instantly detected and removed from the production line. Then comes cutting, counting, bundling, and final packaging, all handled by fully automated robotic systems inside a secure industrial environment. And just like that, a simple sheet of paper transforms into a fully secure national currency. Not just money, but a symbol of economic trust and precision engineering. If you enjoyed this cinematic factory documentary, make sure to subscribe to AJ Factory Flow. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our next industrial journey. And comment below, which country's factory should we explore next?
Utilizing advanced machine vision, this system verifies the integrity of every Malaysian ringgit package, ensuring compliance before transport. The transition flow is steady. All systems nominal for the secure storage transfer. Pallet stream 7 is clear for merger. Confirmed. Initiating convergence sequence. Systems show green across the board.